Money is an important part of our life. We use money every day. We need money to buy food, clothes, books, medicine, and many other things. Without money, life can become difficult. Money helps us live a better and more comfortable life. Money does not grow on trees. We must work hard to earn it. Some people are teachers, some are doctors, some are farmers, some are shopkeepers, some work in offices, others run businesses. They all earn money by doing their work honestly. Students do not usually earn money, but they can learn how to use money wisely. They should not waste money on unnecessary things. Saving money from a young age is a good habit. Small savings can become big savings in the future. Money is useful, but it is not everything. Money can buy a big house, but it cannot buy a happy family. It can buy a soft bed, but it cannot buy peaceful sleep. It can buy expensive food, but it cannot buy good health. It can buy a watch, but it cannot buy more time. Many people dream of becoming rich. There is nothing wrong with this dream. However, people should earn money in the right way. They should be honest, kind, and hardworking. Money earned through honesty brings peace and respect. Money earned through cheating does not bring real happiness. We should also learn how to save money. Saving money helps us in difficult times. If we lose our job or face a problem, our savings can help us. It is a good idea to keep some money for the future. We should also make a simple budget. A budget helps us know how much we earn and how much we spend. Some people spend all their money quickly. Later, they have nothing left. This is not a good habit. We should think before buying anything. We should ask ourselves, do I really need this? If the answer is no, we should save our money instead. Money can also help other people. We can give food to a hungry person. We can help poor families. We can buy books for children who cannot afford them. Helping others is a beautiful way to use money. Even a small amount can make someone smile. Today, many people earn money online. They work as writers, teachers, designers, programmers, or content creators. Some people make videos on YouTube. Others write blogs or sell products online. The internet has created many new opportunities. However, success does not come in one day. It takes time, patience, and hard work. Money should be our servant, not our master. We should control our money instead of letting money control us. We should not become greedy. Greed can make people unhappy and dishonest. A good person earns money with honesty and uses it wisely. Children should learn about money from their parents and teachers. They should understand the value of every rupee. When they grow up, they will make better financial decisions. Learning about money is an important life skill. Some people think that rich people are always happy. This is not true. Happiness comes from love, good health, peace, and strong relationships. Money can make life easier, but it cannot solve every problem. If you want to become successful, work hard, learn new skills, and never give up. Improve yourself every day. Read books, study well, and practice regularly. When your skills become better, you can earn more money in the future. Always remember that money is important, but good character is more important. People may forget how much money you had, but they will always remember your kindness, honesty, and good behavior. Use your money wisely, save for the future, help others when you can, and live a happy and meaningful life. Moral: earn money honestly, spend it wisely, save for the future, and use it to help others.